Welcome to our lesson on backlog refinement and effort estimation. In this session, we will explore essential techniques to enhance your product backlog effectively. Backlog refinement is a crucial process in Agile. It involves reviewing and prioritizing backlog items to ensure they are relevant and actionable for the team. Refinement offers several benefits, including clarity on requirements and effective prioritization. This reduces ambiguity and ensures the team focuses on high-value items. Key activities during backlog refinement include reviewing items, prioritizing based on value, and estimating effort. These activities ensure alignment with project goals and stakeholder expectations. Refinement meetings are essential for collaboration. They provide a space for the team to discuss backlog items and ensure everyone is aligned. Effort estimation can be done using various techniques. Planning poker and t-shirt sizes are two popular methods that facilitate collaborative estimation. This quote highlights the importance of good estimation. It directly impacts planning and execution in Agile projects. When estimating effort, consider factors like task complexity and team experience. These elements significantly affect the accuracy of your estimations. Common challenges in estimation include overestimation and underestimation. Striking the right balance is essential to avoid wasted resources and delays. Continuous improvement is vital in Agile. Implementing feedback loops and using retrospectives can enhance estimation accuracy over time. Several tools can assist with estimation and backlog refinement. Jira and Trello are popular options that support effective management and tracking. Examining real-world examples can provide valuable insights. They illustrate successful backlog refinement and estimation practices. Let's look at a case study of successful backlog refinement. Company A improved delivery times, while Company B adapted their techniques through feedback. To ensure success, hold regular refinement sessions and involve stakeholders. These best practices keep the backlog relevant and aligned with expectations. Measuring success involves tracking team velocity and delivery rates. These metrics help gauge estimation accuracy and backlog management effectiveness. This quote emphasizes the proactive nature of Agile. By refining our backlog, we are actively shaping our project's future. In conclusion, backlog refinement is a continuous process that requires regular attention. Be adaptable in your approach, as every team has unique needs. As we move forward, remember the importance of backlog refinement and effort estimation. These practices are essential for Agile success. For further learning, consider reading books on Agile practices or exploring online courses. These resources can provide deeper insights and enhance your skills. To keep teams involved, make refinement sessions interactive and implement feedback mechanisms. These strategies encourage participation and engagement. As we conclude, remember the key takeaways from this lesson. Staying adaptable and open to change is essential in your Agile journey. In this lesson, we reviewed the importance of backlog refinement and the techniques for effort estimation. Both are essential for maintaining a healthy backlog. As we look ahead, remember that backlog refinement and effort estimation are ongoing processes. Keep refining your approach as you learn more. This quote reminds us that Agile is an ongoing journey. Embrace the process of continuous improvement in your projects. To stay informed, engage with Agile communities and follow current trends. This will help you remain competitive in your field. Thank you for participating in this lesson on backlog refinement and effort estimation. We hope you found it valuable and informative. In the next module, we will explore advanced techniques for managing your product backlog. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies. Goodbye for now. We look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Keep refining your skills in Agile project management.